living space area which comfortably accommodates. So this is a nice spacious kitchen area. Very well. Master bedroom is done up really well. I like how it. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project by the Concord Group called the Concord Neo, which is right behind me. Before I share more details about this lovely project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers by directly connecting you with the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today with the developer directly through Housey. Come on in. So now I'm standing at the actual location of the Concord Neo by Concord Group. As you can see here, this is the area where the construction is going on. And right next to me is the location, which is the neighborhood of this property, that is Tanisandra Main Road, Markandaya Nagar, RK Hegde Nagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. So this is the miniature of the Concord Neo project by Concord Group, which is spread across a land parcel of 4.2 acres, and this property consists of 6 large towers here, as you can see. These towers have 2 basements, a ground floor and 18 floors. And now talking about the amenities, this property has 33 plus amenities consisting of a swimming pool, 2 large clubhouse, ample parking space, basketball court, etc. And this property, now talking about the connectivity, this property is about 12 minutes from Manyata Tech Park, about 15 minutes from Nagwara Metro Station, about 12 minutes from Elements Mall, and about 25 minutes from Manipal Hospital. So hello and welcome. So today I'm going to give you a tour of Concord Neo, which is a 3 BHK apartment. Come on in. As you enter, you can see this nice, cozy living space area, which comfortably accommodates about 3 to 6 seater sofa. And right opposite to that, you have your television area with the cabinet below for additional space. And this part area, living area, is also divided into your dining area, which again comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 seater dining table. And right next to the dining table, you have a little space here where you can add some more cabinets for additional space as well. As you move forward, you have an attached balcony to the living space. And this, now we've covered this area. Now we have I'm going to take you around 3 bedrooms, but before that you have this little space here again close to the dining space, where you can add additional cabinets and store your cutlery. So let's move to the kitchen area before I give you the tour of the 3 bedrooms. So this is a nice spacious kitchen area, very well ventilated, and you have a nice utility space also this side here, which again accommodates a nice dishwasher or washing machine with a nice view of the garden outside. They have these nice large French windows, which again gives you a lot of natural light. And right next to this, you have the stove and cabinets here on top to add all the additional cutlery. And you have enough storage space in the bottom here as well, with additional cabinets on top. So this was the kitchen of the Concord Neo. Let me take you to the first bedroom of the 3 BHK apartment at Concord Neo. This is a nice cozy bedroom which comfortably accommodates a nice queen size bed. It also has a nice view outside with these large French windows to give you enough natural lighting and ventilation. You have these nice cute side tables on either sides of the bed. This room also has a nice large wardrobe with added cabinets on top for additional space. This can be used as a guest bedroom or a kids room. Now let me take you to the second bedroom. But before I take you to the second bedroom, we have a common bathroom area on the left here with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. And it's quite spacious and has a nice shower area as well. And now this is the second bedroom of the 3 BHK. You have a nice queen size bed with large French windows for again natural lighting and ventilation. You have enough space on either side of the bed for your side tables. And right opposite to the bed, you have a nice television area here with added cabinets in the bottom. And you have this nice cozy corner here, which again accommodates a nice study table. So this can be used as a kid's room as well. And right opposite, you have nice large wardrobes with added cabinets on top for additional space. And this bedroom also has an additional bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the master bedroom, but before that, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey is going to give you an actual tour of the location. Housey is going to give you a tour of the sample flat. Housey is going to explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey is going to give you the pricing options available, which includes the EMI and the down payment options available. And Housey is also going to give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the property. So if you like the property so far, in 3 simple clicks, you can book a free site visit and contact our sales team. So come on in, let's have a look at the master bedroom. Wow, the master bedroom is done up really well. I like how it accommodates a nice large queen size bed with side tables here on either sides. And what's interesting is this transparent wardrobe here. The design is nice, gives you a very nice luxury feeling. It also has added cabinets on top for the extra space. And right opposite to the bed, you have the TV area here with TV, and you can also use the space in the bottom for added cabinets. And tucked in the cozy corner is a nice dressing table area. So your wife is definitely going to be happy with this. And then this property also has nice large French windows on the sides here for natural light and ventilation. And here you have a nice attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. So this was the master bedroom of the Concord Neo 3 BHK flat. This was the sample flat tour of the 3 BHK sample flat at Concord Neo. And if you like this property, do not forget to click on the link below and download the e-brochure for more details, or you can click on the link below and book a free site visit with our team, and our team will be more than happy to assist you. So if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties here in Bangalore, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.